Hey guys, it's your girl Najam, and I just wanted to jump on because I'm in the middle of doing some work for my clients. But I wanted to come on because tomorrow is going to be so important, and I wanted to at least answer any questions if you guys have. So place your questions down below this video, wherever it'll be. I'll post it on Facebook, it'll be on Instagram, of course, and it'll also go on YouTube. So I'll post them all there. And if you have any questions regarding the workshop or the class, anything regarding meditation about it, or what we're going to do, or what's this about, or whatever, you can put it down below. But I also will give you links because there's a whole bunch of description of what the class will be about. So if there's something that you haven't seen that I explain or whatever, then put those questions down below. But this is going to be a really great class. It's going to be really something where it is going to be so beneficial for you and for myself, because I'm doing this too, not only teaching, but also doing it. And I've implemented meditation as a practice. And I started when I was like really young. I learned it around the same time I was learning yoga. And so yoga and meditation go hand in hand. I also had to learn it and know it when I was getting my degree as an Ayurvedic practitioner, and going into holistic medicine and stuff. But on a personal scale, meditation, I noticed when those times that I would be sick or in pain or feeling like stressed out or something, it became so beneficial for me. And I'll go more into that in the workshop. But I made a decision on this spiritual path that I'm on to practice meditation every day. I am so inspired by the Hindu monks and Buddhist monks, and I'm on that path of becoming a spiritual monk. And I noticed that practicing every day, even for a few minutes every day or several times throughout the day, has been absolutely rewarding. And so if you're on like a spiritual path or a spiritual quest, or you're really starting to get on this self-discovery of who you are and what you are and why you are and how you are and all this stuff, meditation is a golden key. It's not just a regular key or a silver key. It's actually a golden key. And this golden key, when you put it into the right door and unlock it, there's so much treasure when it comes to this one small tool. And when it's implemented every day, it's an abundant tool. And I go further into that in the workshop as we go further. So I highly recommend sign up below, register, okay? The cost is absolutely nothing to the education that you're going to get, the amount of practice you're going to get, and the one-on-one with me live, okay, where I'll be able to answer your questions live and walk you through it side by side with you, as if I'm in your living room or in your office or wherever you're going to spend the evening with me tomorrow. So I want to encourage you, go ahead and register. Don't procrastinate on this. This is something that's going to benefit you. All right, I love you guys. I can't wait to see all of you tomorrow, and I thank you for registering. Nityandam. Namaste.